Yes, hello my dear students. Welcome to Maths Academy by DG. Myself Govindrao, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics. Today we are going to start the application of integral chapter, that is the chapter number 8. Students, remember one thing. So each and every class is very important for us, and one more thing. So every day we are going to cover the NCERT part and as well as KCET JEE Mains part also in this platform. So students, don't miss any class here. Okay, so daily I will upload the 2 to 3 videos now onwards. Okay, so that's why I'm going to say for you people, don't be miss the any single video, because of every video can change your life. Okay, because of you people are going to crack the KCET and JEE, and if people are going to attempt the second PU classes NCERT board, that's why I'm going to say for you people, don't miss the class. Okay, so we can upload the 2 to 3 videos daily. So each and every class is very important. Okay, so suppose if you are not subscribed still, please subscribe to our channel. Okay, so now this is the example 3. Yes, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y is equal to x square and the line x y is equal to 4. Means we have completed the example 1 and example 2. In that, just we have taken the simple curve or closed curve. Means we are taking the single curve in that. Yes or no? So that curve is which kind of curve we are taking? We had taken there. So that is the enclosed part. Yes, we are finding the area of the enclosed part. But if you are taking this curve, say this is the parabola. Yes, this is again parabola. Whether this is the closed area, whether this is the enclosed curve, no, it is not a closed curve. Yes, this is the open curve. Okay, so that's why if you are finding the area of the open curve, definitely he will be give the one more line or one more curve for us. That's why whatever the example 3 is there now, this example 3 is related to the area enclosed or area bounded by the curve and line. This concept, this example is related for the side heading is area bounded by the curve and line. See in this is the curve. Yes, this is the curve, this is the parabola, and this is what? This is the line. That's why we are going to say the area bounded by, the area which is bounded by the curve and the line. See, the area which is bounded by the curve, this is the curve up to here and this is the line. Means whatever the part is there here now, we are observing O, B, A, C, O. This is the bounded region. We have to find the bounded region here. But remember one thing, if you are taking the y-axis like this, definitely whatever the parabola is there now, so this line which is going to split in two parts and equal to part, that's why suppose you are finding the area of this one is 2 units, so no need to find this one, this is again what? 2 units, because of these two parts are equal to each other. So that's why I am taking here whatever the bounded region you are observing in this, that is the half of the bounded half of the part we are finding here. That's why we have to multiply with the 2, so then you will get this total area. So I am writing here the required area of the region, which one is we have to require? So that is O, B, A, C, O. Yes, this is the part we required. Yes, okay, we required this one. Okay, that's why we are going to write here the required area of the region O, B, A, C, O is equal to, so 2 into, why we are writing 2 into means both are same part, means both are equal area. Yes, suppose if you are finding the area of this part, yes, whatever the shaded region you are observing in this, if you are finding the area of this shaded region, multiply with 2, you will get the total area. That's why 2 into, just I am finding the area of O, B, A, O. See this. Yes. Yes, O, B, A, O. Yes, now see students, 2 into, yes, we are writing in this, but before that we have to observe. So which kind of strips we are taking in this? There is only, yes, horizontal strip is possible. Yes or no? Which strip is possible in this? There is only horizontal strip is possible. Okay, so we are taking the horizontal strip in this. The length of this strip is what? Again x, and the width of this strip is what? Dy. Yes, because of the strip here, that is on y-axis. That's why we are taking here the width of this one is, okay, width of this one is we are taking, that is the dy. Okay, after that, see students, after completion of this one, now what is the lower limit actually for this area? That is the lower limit is this one. Yes, y is equal to 0. This is the lower limit. And what is the upper limit? See, this is the upper limit. Yes or no? So upper limit is what? This one. So upper limit is actually y is equal to 4. Okay. Lower limit is y is equal to 0 and upper limit is y is equal to 4. Now we can take integration. Yes, y is equal to 0 to y is equal to 4. Yes. Next we have to multiply x into dy, because of we are multiplying the length into width. X into dy over. So next, what is x actually in this? Yes, what is the x? So again we have to observe whatever the curves are given, from that we are taking the x. Okay, what is the curve given? That is the y is equal to x square is given. From this we have to take the x. Sir, x is equal to plus or minus under root y, because we are taking this square on right hand side, left hand side. Yes. So by taking this square on right left hand side, that is the plus or minus root y. Yes. Again, see students. Finally, this is the plus or minus here. Okay. Yes. So this is the plus or minus. Now the area which is present in the first quadrant means again y x is equal to, we can write root y. So you people how to write this part is again here also in the part of the solution. Y is equal to x square. So x is equal to plus or minus root y. Yes. Again, the bounded region, yes, or the area, you will have to write this area OBAO in first quadrant. Yes, in first quadrant. Yes, so that's why we are taking here x is equal to root y. Okay, you people have to write this part is again in the solution. Yes. Next, after completion of this one, integration 0 to 4, write on the x is nothing but root y into dy. Yes, completed now. So integration 0 to 4, we know that root can be written as y power 1 by 2. Yes, root we are writing here what? Y power 1 by 2. Yes, just complete this one up to here. Yeah, I am going to rub this part. Please do fast. Copy this one please. फटाफट बच्चों. Yes, आप लोगों को सर वॉइस क्लियर आ रहा है कि मुझे कमेंट करते जाओ. अब लोग और इसी के साथ साथ आप लोगों को बोर्ड क्लियर दिख रहा है क्या बेटा? वो भी मुझे आप लोग कमेंट कर सकते हैं. Yes, completed. I am going to rub this one over. Just I will rub this one. बस इतना ही जरूरत था अपनों को. Now the continuation for this one is in the solution 2 into, now see integration of, we know that integration of x power n dx can be written as x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Yes or no? Yes. So that's why this is the y power having the 1 by 2 now. That's why I am writing here y power 1 by 2 plus 1. Yes. In place of n having what? 1 by 2. That's why in place of n I am going to put 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by, again in the denominator 1 by 2 plus 1 over, what is the lower limit? That is the 0. Upper limit is what? 4. Okay. Next, see student. So that we will do the little bit simplification. Yes, that is the 2 plus 1 is 3 means finally 3 by 2, denominator is again 3 by 2. Yes, 0 to 4. Completed. Next one is see, by doing the reverse for this 3 by 2, so reverse is 2 into 2 is 4, 4 by 3, y power 3 by 2, 0 to 4. Yes, or next one is 4 by 3, substitute the upper limit. In place of y I am writing the 4 power 3 by 2 minus again 0. Yes, next one is 4 by 3, 4 can be written as 2 square. Yes or no? We are writing the 4 as what? 2 square. Because of where 2 gets cancelled. Yes, 4 by 3 into I will write 2 cube can be written as 8. So we know that friends 8 into 4 is 32. Yes, 32 by 3. Yes, this is the way we are going to complete the solution. Okay. So I think you are going to understand the classes. What are the classes going on here? Okay. So now students remember, first you people have to know that how to complete the solution and which kind of area is given, and one more thing, whether the area is in, whether the given curve is closed curve or open curve. Suppose he is giving the open curve, definitely he will be give the one more curve or he will be give the one more line there. Okay, because of we require the bounded region, only we can find the solution, otherwise we won't be find the solution. Definitely we require the bounded region, remember students. ओके, आप लोगों को बाउंडेड रीजन कंपलसरी चाहिए. अभी देखिए आप लोग बाउंडेड का मतलब पैक हुए सो, बाउंडेड का मतलब क्या होगा, पैक हुए सो. सी दिस इज द बाउंडेड रीजन और नॉट. ये पैक होगा कि नहीं, कैसा पैक होगा, ये ओपन दिख रहा है आप लोगों को. अगर मैं यही देता था आप लोगों को, देखिए आप लोग इसे आप लोग बोलेंगे कि ओपन है सर, ये बाउंडेड है क्या, अभी नहीं है, दिस इज द ओपन. अभी ओपन है तो इसका एरिया आप लोग फाइंड आउट नहीं कर सकते, समझ आ रहा है ना. तो दैट्स व्हाई वी रिक्वायर द बाउंडेड रीजन, ओनली वी कैन फाइंड द एरिया. इसलिए तो आप लोग क्या करना चाहिए, बोलते इधर एक लाइन दिया, देखिए आप लोग अभी पैक हो गया ना, एरिया भी पैक होगा कि नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर टेकिंग हियर the line and curve, the combination of the bounded region of the line and curve आप लोग यहाँ पे ले रहे बेटा. ओके, so we have completed the example 3. now we can start the exercise 8.1. yes, observe students, so we are taking the question number 1 from the exercise 8.1. yes, exercise 8.1. so this question is very important for 3 marks. yes, already this question is asked 2 times in NCERT board. so students observe here again, this is the similar to the example 3, that's why I am taking this question here. yes, what is the required for us means, and what is the given data and what is the part is present in this way. once we can check, find the area of the region bounded by the curve. yes, very important, and you have to observe the very clearly. find the area of the region, we are finding the area of the region bounded by, we are finding the bounded region. yes, bounded by the curve, which curve that is y square is equal to x. yes, y square is equal to what, x curve. yes, and the lines x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 4 and x axis. see students, very clearly he is giving us, and in the first quadrant. yes, so we are finding the area. yes sir, we are finding the bounded region. yes, area of the bounded region, and which kind of bounded region that he is giving very clearly for us. find the area of the bounded region of the curve. yes, the curve is, this is the curve, y square is equal to x is the curve here. yes, which is symmetrical with the x axis. and next one is x is equal to 1 line. yes sir, this is the x is equal to 1 line, and x is equal to 4. yes, this is the x is equal to 4. yes, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4. yes, next one is completed now. so again next is, again he is going to say and x axis. yes, see this is the x axis. by observing this bounded region, we are finding the bounded region. yes, the parabola, this is the parabola, and the line x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 4 means this will be present, and x axis means again this is the part. yes, this one and this one. yes, but he is giving clearly us in the first quadrant. yes, find in the first quadrant, this is the bounded region again, this is the bounded by x axis. see very clearly, x axis, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 4, and the curve, this is the curve. this is again bounded region or not? see student, this is again a bounded region. yes, very clearly I am telling, this is below to the x axis, this is the bounded region, but he is giving clearly us find the area, find the bounded region in first quadrant. so it is not a first quadrant, this is the actually fourth quadrant. okay, so that's why we are not finding the area of this part. okay, only finding the above the x axis, that is in the first quadrant, means we are taking the whatever the shaded region is there, we are finding the area of that shaded region. yes, and one more thing, in this lower limit is and upper limit is he only given very clearly. see this is x is equal to 1 is a lower limit and x is equal to 4 is the upper limit. yes, so now we can start the area of, we have read actually the area of the region, whatever the part is given here now. so we are right, the area of the region bounded by the curve y square is equal to x and the lines x is equal to 1 comma x is equal to 4 and x axis in first quadrant is equal to, yes, we have got integration x is equal to 1 is the lower limit. yes, and x is equal to 4 is what, upper limit. x is equal to 1 is lower limit. see students, this is the part. okay, just I will draw this one, I will show you. see students, Yes, we are finding the area of this one. Yes, this is the part we are finding the area. Yeah, this one. So in this, the lower limit is x is equal to, and this is the x is equal to 4 upper limit. Yes, and one more thing, the strip is what? The strip is here, the vertical strip. That's why the y is the length and dx is the width. Y into dx. Yes, integration 1 to 4. And what is the y actually? So see this one, you will be observed y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to x given na. Y square is equal to x is nothing but you will have tried in the solution only. Y square is equal to x, so y is equal to plus or minus. Yes, we have tried the y here. Yes, y is equal to plus or minus root x. So finally we can write in the first quadrant. Yes, we are taking the first quadrant. So y is equal to root x only. Yes, write down here root x into dx. I think you will be complete the solution because of just now we have completed. They are having the root y into dx, but here having what? Root x into dx. Okay, students, observe here. The questions, they are not the very toughest questions here. Okay, very simple one. Okay, so please complete up to here. I will complete the remaining part of this solution. Yes, write down फटाफट बच्चों. Complete fast. Yes, completed. Next, see students, completed na? Now, just I will rub this one. The continuation of this one only I am going to cover. Yes. Now, integration we are adding 1 to 4. Root x can be written as x power 1 by 2 into dx. Yes, friends. Next one is, we know that the formula integration of x power n dx is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Yes. So, I am writing that formula only, x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Yes. And the lower limit is 1 and upper limit is what? 4. Over. So, finally we get here x power 1 by 2 plus 1 is nothing but what? That is the 3 by 2. Again this is the 3 by 2. So, the reverse of the denominator 3 by 2 is there na? Reverse is 2 by 3. So, x power 3 by 2. X. Next one is lower limit is 4 and upper limit is lower limit is 1, upper limit is 4. Okay. So, then 2 by 3 into, apply the upper limit, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power 3 by 2 is again 1. Okay. Finally, the result is 2 by 3 into 4 can be written as 2 square over 3 by 2. Yes, minus 1. So, where 2 gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled. 2 by 3 into 2 cube is 8. So, 8 into 2, remember, wait. Minus 1 is there, na? That's why. So, finally 2 by 3 into, otherwise we can write here, no problem. Diagram is necessary to complete the solution in the areas chapter application of integrals. Everyone should be draw the diagram, otherwise you won't be get the full marks in NCERT. 8 minus 1 is 7. So, 8 is the 14 by 3 is the solution. Okay. This is the final answer, 14 by 3. So, I hope you understand today's class. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Thank you so much.